for those of you who think like 30 years is too long, I mean, it's coming for all of us. Okay. And I've been at a lot of retirement parties, and there's usually a lot of chatter from people who cannot retire.
Yeah.
There's a lot of hate. Why is she gonna retire then? What did she do? I don't have that. Okay. So the time is coming for all of us. It's just, are we gonna be prepared for it or not?
Yeah, you know what? It makes me think of a real quick story. So like I posted it on LinkedIn the other day. In college, this is when I first started getting serious about working out. And I was in there just ego lifting, you know, young college kid trying to lift the heaviest thing I could pick up because I was scrawny, trying to put some pounds on. And there's this guy who was in there. He was an exercise sports science major, walked up to me because he had probably seen me a few times. At this point, probably just felt sorry for me. He was like, "Hey, bro, how long are you gonna be in here?" I was like, "Usually about an hour and 15 minutes." He's like, "Okay." He was like, "What you working on?" And I was like, "Oh, a little bit of everything. I ain't had no plan. Like chess for sure." And he was just like, "Hey, look, man, you gonna be in here for an hour and 15 minutes anyway. Like the time's gonna pass. You might as well do it right. Right? You might as well do it right." And he actually showed me some techniques and some things to do. So I go to Jacqueline's point, knock on wood, if you believe that you're going to be here next 10, 20, 30, 40 years, right? We know none of us has a crystal ball, but if that's what we're believing and hoping for, that time's going to pass anyway. So you might as well go ahead and commit, no matter how small it is, because you don't want to look up in the future and not have an opportunity to be able to take your foot off the gas and enjoy yourself because you never made the commitment to build wealth. That's the pain of discipline weighs ounces. The pain of regret weighs tons, right? And you do not want to look back and like, damn, I wish I would have listened to George, Carter, and Jacqueline, man. They was telling me about this stuff, man. And now when I'm tired, I ain't got the energy. My kids are old. They're trying to go to college. Like, and I ain't got it.